Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I need to put about s equal to 11 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 121 tan t square, 121. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify 3/2 and ds. ds we have 11 secant of t square dt. Because we need to do first the derivative of tan t, and you got about this one. So I will put this one going here and here. ds we change by this one. So we have 121 tan t square, 121. We can do about factorization. So 121 to the power of 3/2. We will have about 1331. This one we have secant of t square. So secant of t square with the power 3/2. We will have about secant of t to the power of 3. This one we have 121 tan t square. Now we need to simplify 1331 with secant of t square on numerator and denominator. So tan t square, that's about sin t square over cosine t square. This one we have 1 over cosine t. Now we need to simplify cosine t on numerator and denominator. So sin t square we change 1 minus cosine t square, and later that we have 1 divided by cosine t and cosine t square divided by cosine t. The integration of secant of t, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. The integration of cosine t, we have sin t, and we put about c, that is about the constant. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 11. So we got about t equals to tan of s over 11. So I need to put this one to change for t. So tan with tan, we got about s over 11. This is the end. Thank you for watching.